Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to get Adobe Media Encoder for free on your PC or Mac. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, head to Adobe's official website using the link in the description below. Once you're there, click on the Free Trial button. Choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore all the powerful encoding and media management features Adobe Media Encoder has to offer. Next, hit Continue and enter your email address. After that, you'll need to fill in some basic details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before the 14 days are up. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and Subscribe. Now, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're good to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, go to the Apps tab, find Adobe Media Encoder, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Media Encoder is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're compressing videos, converting formats, or optimizing media, you're all set to get started. Thanks for watching.